Hey, welcome back to Beauty by Dave. I'm your host, Dave. It must be time for another video. So this was a follow-up. We're doing a follow-up today. Last time, in a previous episode, previously on Beauty by Dave. Previously on, we did the Revolution Prism Aura Powder. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. It's just called Prism. It's Aura Powder. It's got this cool look to it. It's just a white powder. It's just a white pressed ass powder, motherfucker. That's it. It's like a bunch of, mica. It's a bunch of mica and then silica. So, it's just, sort of like a highlighty. It's super white, super duper white. Somebody was like, yeah, I tried it. And then it was just like way too white. Can't even really wear it. So, it is what it is. But somebody else said, hey, love this powder. You know what you should try? Boom, 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 boom. The blush, baby. So there it is. That Revolution blush. That's so cool. Look at that. Same exact package. It's called Neo Pink. Boom, boom, boom. It looks, it just looks like a regular hot pink blush. We'll see what happens. It's called Aura Blush, It's cool. I just like the package so much. They got me. I was looking for this for a bit from my local Target because this is from some kind of mood collection. I should probably know the answer to that, but Mood Switch, got it. This is from the Mood Switch collection, and the entire collection was basically sold out at my local Target. And then they don't ever restock on things, so I thought I would never get it. But guess what, guys? They did a restock. Whoa! So we got the Aura Blush, and we're at, we're fully beat up right now. Beat up, dog. We got beat. And so at this point, we would be doing some powder. So in honor of the powder, I'm going to start off with some of our friendly Aura powder, just to start, to kind of powder my little facey. Which is white. It's super cloudy with the meatballs and shit, whatever. So we're just going to put some powder up there on the forehead. And then we're going to put some powder on the cheekies. Boom, 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 boom. We're trying a new under eye concealer today, so this will be interesting. To be very frank with you, this product is not very good around the eyes. It can be a bit difficult. So be very careful, please. He says as he just kind of pokes himself in the eye with it. On purpose. It's okay. So anyway, that's cool. That's a little bit of powder. All right, so that's our powder down. And then, I don't really fucks with, powder blushes anymore. Not really. I just do everything cream pretty much these days. But I'm curious. I'm getting more curious about powders again. Powder bronzers and stuff. Okay, so the first thing, there's like a white streak at the very top of this. You can barely see it, but it's right there. It's like a white streaky thing, which is okay. It's fine. Let's do a little swatchy with our finger first and see what happens. It's got R's on it. I think they're copying like Dior on this. But, probably you could say that about anything, probably. Oh, wow. It seems not very pigmented at all. So we're just going to kind of see what happens on our little finger here. Wow, it seems not pigmented at all. We're just going to put some right there. Oh, wow. Wow. Very little pigment here. Okay. Cool. Good to know. That means we can probably just go to town. Should we go to town anyway? Probably not, but this is a try-on video, so we should go to town. So here we go. We're just going to, let's just fuck it up, dog. We're just get this brush all fucked up with this pink. It's not really picking up very much on the brush. Going to town on this. All right, so we went to town, and then let's tap the town off. There we go. Go to town, tap the town away. All right, let's just go in. Let's just see what happens. Oh my gosh. Oof. Oh, wow. Oh. Matte is very matte. This looks really cool, dude. This looks great on me, to be super honest with you. All right, we just put a bunch on and look at this cloud. I didn't see the cloud, but put a bunch on and then we tapped it off. All right, I don't know if I can really get you the best look on this one, but let's try to just, wow. What the fuck? This is bizarre. I'm not sure there's much on the brush this time. Okay. It's very forgiving. I'm trying to like put a lot on and it's kind of, it seems like it's not very pigmented. And so you can kind of use a lot, but it really blends in very nicely. The shade, it looks really gorgeous. It's just leaves behind a really nice look. This left cheek is looking really gorge. It's not even really picking up that much on the camera. But in the person, it just looks like some like hot pink, like baby skin. It's great. We're kind of trying to pack it on the other side, and I don't know if the lighting's just not good. This is super interesting. Wow. All right, let's just kind of pop a little bit here and there just to kind of even out some of the coloration on the face. This is really weird. This is like serving. You can sort of see it from back here. Hello. Oh, you can definitely see it on that side. Oh, I have a beautiful pink glow. It seems super glowy. It looks gorge. So an account popped up and was like, you tried this. You should try the blush. And it was from somebody that, you know, they were a brand new account and they had 0 followers and followed 0 anyone else. So I'm like, that's usually the sign of a bot. So I was like, I don't know if this is a bot or this is a real person, but these 2 products are the bomb. These are the bomb.com. I mean, hello. These are cool. Wow. Wow. I mean, I look nice. I look fucking snatched up Saturday night. We're going out, baby. Honestly, this Revolution Mood Switch collection is really interesting. These products are blown my mind, honestly. For some reason, the Aura Powder is one of my most popular videos. Don't have any idea why. This Aura Blush is the bomb. If you can get this at Target, you should go get it. It's really cool. I'm going to keep playing with this a lot, and I'll probably keep talking about it. But on first reaction, you guys know me. I don't really like a lot of shit at first. Not really. Not really. Not really. I'm not been accused of being like a lover. Anyway, let's just do a little bit of spray. So we can make sure that that sits well. And we're just going to press that in with our little brush. Wow. Oh my God. I am loving my cheeks right now. Oh my gosh. I don't fuck with like baby pink like that. Oh, I don't understand why this looks so good. I am so shook. Wow, this is an incredible day for Beauty by Dave. I hope you guys have a fantastic day out there. Once again, Revolution is killing it with with this Mood Switch collection. Go get it. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you're doing. Bye-bye.